Well, it finally happened. I got my permit to Havasu Falls. From Hilltop, we'll hike down 10 miles into the Grand Canyon to the most beautiful campground in the world, if not in the States for sure. It's a really beautiful hike through these canyons, so we thought we'd share this hike as well as the falls. We're going to have two more videos as well of the falls and the campgrounds, gear, and logistics. But for now, we hope you enjoy this canyon hike. The first mile of this hike is mainly all switchbacks, and you descend about 3,300 feet to the floor of the canyon. As you continue through the canyon, there's no water sources available along the way, so you must carry in all of your own water. There is a source for fresh water, a spring at the campground, so once you get there, you can get some more. We carried about 3 liters each. Most of the time, hiking through the canyon is so peaceful. All you can hear is your feet hitting the ground and the stones. But every once in a while, you'll hear a ruckus coming towards you, and most likely it's a mule. Sometimes they get loose, so make sure you step to the side. As you enter Supai, there's signs asking you not to photograph or video out of respect the town or its people. As you pass through, there is a church, there is a cafeteria, there's a little market if you'd like to get something to eat. Sometimes there are people out selling postcards. When we went through, she had already closed up for the day. As we pass Navajo Falls, we realize we're getting close. Pretty soon we'll cross the bridge in just a short walk, and we've made it to the waterfall. It is just so awe-inspiring. It's more beautiful than the photographs and the videos can show. I use no filters on my videos. It is so well worth the hike and the permit.